Galaxy Z Flip 5 new information is here, and some previous rumors were all wrong. And this time we get the information from a company which is telling a different story regarding the Galaxy Z Flip 5 display. Well, in a good way. Stick to the end to know more about. Samsung is planning to launch Galaxy Z Flip 5 in August along with the Fold 5 and Watch 6, and we already have some confirmed news regarding the Galaxy Z Flip 5, where we are going to see a bigger display, which we will talk later in this video, a new camera setup and how it will be different, and also the bigger outer display, but it is different from previous rumors. Before moving on, drop a like and subscribe. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is getting a massive bigger outer display. When first rumor was out, we thought we are getting 3.1 inches outer display, but later another reliable source came up and talking about 3.8 inches even bigger on Z Flip 5. But the story is completely different, as the company source claims that Galaxy Z Flip 5 is going to come with 3.3 inches outer display. Not bad by any means, because Flip 4 was at 1.9 inches, too small compared to the Flip 5. Are you going to update from Flip 4 to Flip 5? You can consider getting Flip 5 because one reason. Well, the outer display could be a reason, but most importantly, the battery life of Galaxy Z Flip 5. As source claims, we are getting a bigger battery on Flip 5 due to a new hinge design, so we might see at least 3700, which is 200 more than the previous generation. And looking at the power efficiency of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, Flip 5 can easily give us about 2 to 3 hours more screen on time than previous generations. Flip 5 is a phone where crease matters the most, because it looks like a candy bar phone when unfolded. But Samsung didn't achieve no visible crease on previous generation, but this time around, Flip 5 might come with no visible crease. Because of new hinge obviously, it was used on Apple Fine Into, and it looks much better than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So we have a better news, Flip 5 will come with no crease. And by adding IPX rating for waterproofing makes it even better. If you already own a bespoke edition of Galaxy Z Flip 4, you might be looking for bespoke edition for Flip 5. Well, if you are getting this much big display on Flip 5, first you don't really need it, as the display will cover almost the whole part, so it might not come. Galaxy Z Flip 5 processor information is also out, where it beat the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you want to check that out, you can watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.